Welcome to a J Factory Flow, where we uncover the amazing secrets behind the world's most fascinating products, currencies, and manufacturing processes.
At the Minneapolis factory, fresh heavy cream arrives and immediately enters the cold chain process, ensuring premium quality.
Have you ever wondered how a simple raw material transforms into an incredible product? Or what hidden details and stories are found behind the currencies used around the world? From giant factories and advanced machines to skilled craftsmanship and unique production techniques, we bring you closer to the journey behind every creation. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the incredible world of technology, industry, and innovation. If you enjoy discovering how things are made and learning amazing facts from around the globe, don't forget to subscribe to a J Factory Flow, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next fascinating journey. Let's begin today's amazing story.
Celsius, held precisely for 15 seconds before being immediately cooled in the regeneration section.
The mix flows through the inner tubes, holding at 82 degrees Celsius for 25 seconds in the retention loop before exiting.
The hot pasteurized mix enters the heat exchanger at 82 degrees and exits at a precise 4 degrees, ready for the aging phase.
In a smooth, continuous motion, the applicator arm wraps the iconic Häagen-Dazs label around the pint, transforming it into a premium product. This monitoring station governs the entire blast hardening cycle. We track the dwell time meticulously to ensure every batch reaches -35. Fully hardened Häagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream pints emerge, verified at the correct core temperature of -19 degrees Celsius.
This is the single most decisive moment. Director Jensen confirms the data and authorizes the batch release for distribution.
Papers check out. Have a good one. Thanks, you too.
Bay 2C. Select Häagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream, quantity 5. Confirm pick.
Line 2 is running smoothly. Perfect, we will take it from here.